In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your verified device in Xero. So if you have a new phone, lost your old device, or just need to switch your authentication app, this video is exactly what you need. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to click your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner, and then click the gear settings, which is going to be your account. If you do, you will be forwarded here. This is where you manage your two-step authentication settings. Under the additional security, you will see your current authentication method. All I have to do now is, if you want to click the turn off or disable the multi-factor authentication, you can do that. However, if you want to change the verification device, all I have to do is click this section right here. Okay? What will happen is you will be forwarded in this option. You can choose from a 6-digit code or a backup email address. If you choose the first one, what will happen is you need to enter the 6-digit code found on your authenticator app. I am not going to do that. Instead, I am going to use another authentication method, okay? Which is going to be the backup email address. All I have to do now is click the send code. In our previous video, we showed you how to set up 2FA and chose the Xero Verify app. Now, we will be using a different authenticator app since we're focusing on how to change your verification device. So I am going to choose the second option, which is choosing my own app. Now I'm going to type in the code that I receive from Google Authenticator app. Unfortunately, I can't show you the Authenticator app because it's being blocked by security settings on my mobile device. But just to confirm, and what will happen is you will be prompted to go to your dashboard because that's basically it. Your new device is now connected. Before finishing, make sure to save your backup security codes, confirm notifications are working properly, remove the app from your old phone. If you still have access to it, this helps you avoid login issues later on. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you change your Xero verified device. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.